As a commissioning specialist, we're looking for everything from small details to overall integrated system. You see the actuator over there. Let's check it NEMA rating. So this is NEMA 2 enclosure. And NEMA 2 rating is an indoor rating. And the actuator, the valve, is installed outdoor. That was one of the 15 different issues found on a single site visit. So, a commissioning provider, generally speaking, acts as an owner's eyes and ears on the project. Preferably, commissioning provider should be engaged at early design or pre-design phase. This way, we can avoid a lot of costly mistakes while they are on the paper. But even if commissioning provider engaged during the construction phase, it still will be beneficial. It still will provide some assurance that owner is getting what he had paid for. Thanks for watching.